How's it going, everybody? Today I wanted to talk about what the average cost of auto insurance here in the state of Michigan is in 2025 and some of the factors that go into determining your premium. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance and then also overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it. And before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. And if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like and share with anyone else as well. Auto insurance in Michigan can vary a ton from one person to another. And that's because there are a lot of factors in play that go into determining your premium. Your driving history plays a huge role. Something like an at-fault accident, a DUI, or a major speeding violation can significantly impact your premiums. The insurance companies are able to find this information out by running what is called a motor vehicle record report, also known as an MVR. And every insurance company out there will run these before issuing a policy. The type of car you drive also matters a lot. Luxury vehicles, big trucks, or even electric vehicles can typically cost more to insure. A lot of times these vehicles are simply more expensive to repair, which again, if you have physical damage coverage on the vehicle, will impact the cost. And then vehicles with strong safety ratings, maybe they have anti-theft features, can help lower your premium. And then things like your age, your overall claims history, your insurance score, and then even things like where you live can all play a role in what your premium actually comes out to. But beyond these factors, there are things that you can do to lower your premium, discounts you can add on, such as bundling your home and auto insurance together with the same insurance company. Nearly every insurance company out there talks about this, and it is something worth considering if you are looking to lower your premium. And then other simple things like maintaining a good driving record, a clean claims history can help keep your premiums lower. And if you're open to making adjustments to your policy, choosing higher deductibles for your collision coverage, your comprehensive coverage, these would be considered your physical damage coverages on the vehicle, can help lower your premium. But it is important to keep in mind that this would mean you would be paying more out of pocket in the event of a claim, in the event of an accident. So what's the actual annual average cost? Based on data from two resources, one being insure.com and then the other being Insurify, which aggregates data from a variety of insurance companies, both national brands that you might be familiar with and then regional carriers as well. The premium for something like a newer mid-size SUV with standard coverages like $250,000 per person and $500,000 per accident for bodily injury liability, and then matching those same limits to your uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, and also having unlimited personal injury protection coverage, also commonly referred to as PIP coverage, which is extremely important here in Michigan, and also including physical damage coverage, which would again be your comprehensive and collision coverage. You are generally looking at premiums starting around $2,000 a year and up to $4,000 or higher per year, again, depending on all the factors that I just went through and discussed. Some drivers out there will simply be paying more and others will be paying less. It will all depend on your specific situation, the vehicle you drive, etc. But it's also very important to understand that price is not everything. Having the right coverage in place matters a ton, especially for things like PIP coverage, because here in Michigan, your auto insurance will pay your medical expenses if you are injured in an auto accident, not your health insurance. So it's very important to make sure that you do have unlimited selected for this part of the policy. And then having high enough liability coverage limits is also extremely important. If you're ever in an accident, somebody gets injured and there's a lawsuit that follows, this is what would cover you in that situation. And the last thing you want is to be in a claim situation and not have enough coverage. So thank you for watching. And if you are unsure about what exact coverages that you need, or just want to make sure that you have the right coverage in place at a fair price given today's current market, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever is easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.